Meaning of hauntingly.
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 Hauntingly. The term hauntingly is used to describe something in a way that is both eerie and unforgettable. It implies that the experience has left a lasting impression on the subject, almost like a ghostly presence that continues to linger long after the event has passed. The haunting aspect of the experience may be subtle or overt, but in either case it creates a sense of unease or melancholy that sticks with the observer. This word can be used to describe anything from a haunting melody to a haunting memory, and it captures the enduring impact of these experiences on our psyche.